Hi my friends, today we model this part. There are some interesting features and the drawing is here. We start by creating this cylinder. Dimensions: diameter 90, length of 60 new, standard millimeter SIPT, XY plane, rectangle, tab, 60, home, this is center line, diameter of 90. Finish sketch, revolve, and the first volume is this cylinder. Here is a sloped plane, 15 degrees, starting from the center. We use the plane XY, F7, project everything, line from this midpoint to the generator. The angle is 15. I make only one side as construction, and now the only close contour is this. Extrude, you see, Inventor finds that close contour. Okay. Next is this face with dimensions 50, 30, 38, radius 35. We use this plane and we draw that contour. Project this diameter and a short line, press the left button and go here, then somewhere. Place on the same horizontal, you see this is horizontal, the midpoint with the center point. Then we draw other end, line, press the left button and go here. Good. Dimension is 50. This arc is 35. This is 38. And this face is 30. This is not symmetric. I make equal this line and this line. And I also make equal these two. Now we have a symmetry here. Finish sketch, extrude to the part. Okay. Next is this perpendicular angle. with dimensions 8, only 8. Okay, again the plane XY for a new sketch, F7, project these two lines and we draw two lines, 1, 2. This is 90 degrees already placed. Then the only dimension 8. This is not parallel with the other. Yes, escape, Control Z, parallel, this line with this line, and now 8. We have to place this on this coincident, this point with this vertical. We have a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, extrude. We have two close contour now. This is one, this is the other. Symmetrical, cut all the way through the part. Okay. I think you'll notice that I always try to apply the simplest and most accurate means to create the patterns of the pieces. Of course, sometimes I make mistakes because nobody is perfect. Now, let's continue with this cut. Dimensions are 28 as a square and a distance of 6 being placed on this axis. This is the face. We place here a rectangle equal for two sides, the distance of 6, the placement on the same horizontal of these 2 points, 28 is this, and we have to apply fillet of 8 to each corner. Finish sketch. The depth of this cut is 14. Extrude, cut, 14. Okay. Next is this cut, you see here, with dimensions 26 the width, radius 40 with a center at 2 millimeters on the same horizontal, and 25 degrees. Radius 8 to all these 4 corners. Okay. This is the face. We draw a line from this point to this point, then a small line here and an angle. Restart. Another line horizontal is here, and you see the parallel are the 2. I draw an arc with the radius of 40. But here is not connected. Extend this line. Then we draw a line from the midpoint to the center of that arc. I move this to see better what is here. The distance of 2 millimeters on horizontal, 2 millimeters, and alignment on x-axis horizontal, these 2 points. Then I apply parallel these 2 lines. This is construction, and I have to move a little this point here, and I place the dimension, the angle firstly of 25, then this distance of 26. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch. Let me see what is the depth. 5 millimeters is the depth of this new feature. Extrude with cut on 5. Okay. Fillets. Radius 8. Also 8. 4 corners we have here. Okay. We move to another cut, this one, with dimension 30, 20, 4, radius 8, radius 14. This is the face for a new sketch. We draw a horizontal from the circle parallel to this and up. Trim. Oh, let me project this. This means what? This means that this is not on the circle. We trim both lines. Then we apply dimensions. This is 30, and this is 20, and this is 4 millimeters. Fully constrained sketch. Extrude. We have here that extrusion, the depth is 4 millimeters with cut and 4, not 5. Okay. Then fillets. This is 14. Plus 8 for this one. Okay. The part has also a curved slot. Here are dimensions. 36 is the mid line. 30, radius 5, radius 33, and the depth is 3. Let's create this. Here is that new feature. We use curved slot with this center, the distance of 33, the radius of 33 from this point to this point, and so I draw a line from the center point to the center of this. I move this to see that this is construction. This angle is 36. I draw other two lines, this and this. Why? Because I have to place another angle of 30 between these two lines. 30. The radius is 5. And we have a fully constrained sketch. Extrude with cut on 3 millimeters, not 4. The part has also two cuts, this one and this one. They are parallel. And you see here dimensions 80, 12 and 10. We use the plane YZ, F7. We project this generator. We use the tool rectangle, this rectangle, 10 millimeters from up, 12 the width, and this distance to the center point of 80 divided by 2. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical, with cut all the way through the part. I don't mirror this because I have to place also these two holes, and then we apply mirror. Dimensions are 12 millimeters between the centers, 5 millimeters from the edge, this edge, you see, 2 holes of metric 6, and the thread is 10, the hole is 15. Don't forget this chamfer, and also don't forget this chamfer. I just start with this chamfer of 1 millimeter, to not forget. It happens. Then I use this face, sloped face, to draw a line of 12. This line is placed at a distance of 5 from this edge. 5. The distance to the center point is half of 64. 64 divided by 2. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. We apply hole, and you see it is everything selected. This is thread, this is isometric profile, size is 6, not full depth 10, and 15. Where to apply this? To apply at this end of the line and to apply also to the other end of the line. Okay. I also place here the chamfer of 0.5 to both holes. Okay. Now we apply mirror. Mirror of not chamfer, because chamfer is from the hole. Hole, chamfer. Then that cut extrusion, this, yes, the mirror plane is XY, and you see here what happens. Okay, that's all, my friends. I don't see anything missing here, so let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, drawing, double click, and the new value is exactly the same, my friends. Cancel. I keep the former value because it is identical with this one. Material is steel carbon. View, not for the edges, and the light is default lights. Now you see that there is no difference between the two. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.